Sa pagkapanalo po ng Gilas Pilipinas sa Asian Games ay usap-usapan din po ang Philippine Basketball Association, ang pinakamatanda po na professional league sa Asia. Ang tanong ano nga ba ang napatunayan ng PBA sa pagkapanalo po ng gold medal ng Gilas Pilipinas sa Asian Games? Sasagutin ko yan.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This video is presented by sportsplus.ph.
Ito po ay aking opinion po lamang at ito po ay constructive po ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon. Unang-una gusto kong sabihin, ang napatunayan po ng PBA ay magagaling talaga ang players nila. At isa pa sa napatunayan nila, may quality ang PBA. Alam mo kasi, wala namang issue para sa akin, wala namang issue sa quality po ng players ng PBA. At napatunayan po nila sa Gilas Pilipinas, yung pagkapanalo po ng ating koponan, on short notice, sabi ko nga, impromptu masterpiece ang pinakita ni Coach Tim Cone at ating mga players, napatunayan po nila na kaya nila mag-compete. In fact, let me rephrase that, kaya nilang mag-dominate kasi nanalo sila sa Asian Games, at least in the Asian level. Ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? Sa pagkapanalo ng Gilas Pilipinas, yung huling live ko ay kumbaga marami po mga fans na nagsasabi congratulate din natin ng PBA. Sila yung nag-led ng players, sila po yung nag-adjust, yung opening ng PBA sa Nobyembre pa para lang mapagbigyan po ang Asian Games. In fact, yung commissioner po nandoon, maraming napatunayan ng PBA. Pero isa sa mga sinasabi nila na wala na yung PBA ay nandiyan pa po. PBA still has a lot to offer. Of course, there are issues which I will also tell you. But now, it's confirmed na kahit na po marami po mga players na sinasabi nila na nagsisiliparan sa Japan or sa ibang bansa, it is but normal. I don't think that's the problem of the PBA. I don't think that's an issue because normal naman talaga bilang isang tao na maghanap ng bigger opportunity. But it doesn't mean na wala na tayong mapapanood sa PBA. Ang dami pa pong magagaling sa PBA. At yung gold natin sa Asian Games ay isang katunayan, ang PBA ay may quality at may depth. Isa pa, gusto ko lang din sabihin, patunay din na PBA is still probably the best locally league because yung nakikita natin, yung mga galing sa ibang liga, nag-a-apply sa PBA. So, sa akin po, yan po yung talagang napatunayan ng PBA na kaya pa rin ng PBA mag-compete with the right strategy, the right plan, and the right coach. At the same time, yung liga, actually, to be honest with you, ako, medyo hindi na rin ako nagpapanood ng PBA for quite some time. Ang napapanood ko na lang ay pag naglalaro po yung Barangay Ginebra. At yung mga kasamahan ko, parang ganun din ang sagot nila Kanya-kanyang favorite teams. The problem with the PBA is they need to make it a little more or more balanced. Yun yung issue talaga dyan. And siguro naman naririnig na nila yan. It's not kumbaga to hate on the PBA. I love the PBA. I watch the PBA, but for us, tayo na para lumaganap at mas dumami pa po ang fans, kailangan may nagro-rotate din yung mga galing. And I don't think there's a problem with the SMC or the MVP group. I actually like them. You know why? Simple lang yung aking interpretation. Because they want to compete and they want to win. In order for the PBA to grow, and I think it's time for it to grow, kasi kita naman natin sa last draft, ang daming na drafts. May isang team na 7. Anong gagawin nila doon sa 7 na draftee na yon? Di balik ulit sa ibang liga, which is okay. But not also okay. Okay dahil may mapupuntahan sila pero umasa yung mga players. I think what the PBA should do, because there are a lot of quality players, a lot to look forward to. I think yung pagpasok ni Kit at saka Richie Rivero, mabubuhay ang social media lalo ng PBA at mga young fan base, But what they need to do, sabi ng iba, tanggalin daw SMC, MVP, yung mga sister teams. Sa akin, what needs to happen is for it to expand its team. Yung mga teams na papasok dyan, if SMC can have a maximum of 3 teams, yung mga papasok, they can also have that. yun talagang palaban, yun talagang gagastos din. Kasi gano'n naman talaga ang labanan eh. Kung titipid-tipid tayo at yung ano natin eh hindi talaga gumastos, talagang tatalo. So, I have nothing against SMC, MVP. Siguro yung mga teams na dapat pupasok niya, yung talagang willing din talaga gumastos. Unfortunately, that's the name of the game these days. You gotta spend some money in order for you to have leverage. It's not an automatic win, ano? Pero kita naman natin eh. Ganon. At sana dumagdag para ng maraming teams na hindi magiging majority yung majority group which is SMC and MVP para at least mabalanse. Let them now compete with, kasi parang ang nangyayari, controlled nila yung majority. But inaanyayahan ko po kayo na supportahan pa rin po ang Philippine Basketball Associations. At syempre yung ibang liga rin sa Pilipinas, supportahan po natin sila lahat, lalo na kung basketball fan ka. And I'm actually looking forward to watching the PBA this season. I think I would basketball fans needs to give the league a chance. Alam ko marami NBA lang sir, NBA, but we need to give it a chance, especially on what happened with the Asian Games. I think these players who are playing in the PBA should be given a chance to also shine in the local leagues. So, supportahan na lang po natin. Saludo po sa PBA for helping Gilas Pilipinas wins the gold medal. Pati si Commissioner, nandoon si Commissioner Willie Marshall. So, saludo po sa inyo lahat.